Hi future doctors, welcome to the next class. In this class again in square. So last class we discussed all are positive charges. Now if you are going to take one charge is negative, remaining two charges or three charges positive. So what is the resultant force on any one of the charge? A, B, C, D. Again, I am calculating what is the resultant force on D. So, if you want to calculate, so this charge is repelled by C. This is going to be Fc. This charge is repelled by A. That is going to be Fa. Correct? So, square of each side small a I am taking. So, what is Fa? K q square by a square. What is Fc? This is also same. K q square by a square. Now, what is the force on D due to B? B is which charge? Negative charge. Therefore, this D is attracted by B. Therefore, force will be coming in this direction. So, diagonal will be this one. So, what is this diagonal distance? Root 2a. Already I gave all these, how these are coming. Root 2a. Now, in this direction, FB is going to be present. Now, what is the resultant of FA and FC? FA and FC resultant will be this one. FAC. What is that FAC? Root of FA square plus FC square, because cos 90 0. So, both are going to be same. Let us assume this is F, this is F. So, F square plus F square, root 2 F square, therefore, root 2 F. So, FAC is root 2 F. Now, what is the resultant force on D means? FAC will be acting like this, FB will be acting like this. Now, what is FB? What is FB means? K q square by root 2a whole square. Therefore, what will be coming? Kq square by 2a square. But these two are now in opposite direction. Opposite means what we will do? Minus we will do. Minus means which is more? Higher value minus lesser value we will do always. So, what is kq square by a square? Kq square by a square we have taken f. Therefore, fb is f by 2. What is FAC? Root 2f. Which is higher? This is root 2 times of f. This is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. Therefore, FAC is greater than FB. Isn't it? Now, FAC is more. Therefore, resultant will be, resultant force is FAC minus FB. What is FAC? Root 2f minus f by 2. So, root 2 minus 1 by 2 into f, root 2 minus 1 by 2 into kq square by a square. If you observe, same force you got, but small change. In previous, we got plus. Here we got minus. Why that minus came means? Because this is negative sign. Like this, if you are taking A is negative, B is negative, at that time FA will be coming like this. Then resultant force will be changes. So, 90 degrees angle will be coming. Just we will see how the resultant force we are going to write, but I am not going to derive. You can try that problem by your own. So, this is negative charge, this is negative charge, positive charge, positive charge. So, force on D once again, A, B, C, D. So, each separation is going to be A. Now, one by one we can take. Force due to A, this is negative charge, attractive, FA. FA value same, kq square by A square only, but direction is changing. FC, repulsive. FB, FB will be acting like this, correct? Because this is attract. FB. What is FB means? Same. FB value is nothing but kq square by 2a square. Same like this you will get. Now see what is the resultant of FA and FC, because this is 90 degrees. This is FAC. Now at D you got two forces. One is FAC, Another one is FB. Now what is the angle between these two means? 90 degrees. Now resultant of these two will be coming like this. So FD is equal to root FB square plus FAC square. What is FB now? FB is going to be F by 2. What is FAC now? FAC again you will get same. Where we wrote? Here we wrote. FAC is nothing but root 2F. You can substitute in this, you will be getting the answer. How they are going to ask the questions, we will see later. But presently, we are calculating. Sometimes they will ask this one only as resultant force. They will ask directly question. But in NEET, they may not ask direct questions like this. So by using this concept, how they are going to ask the questions, we will explain. First, if you are perfect on this, then how they may ask the questions, we will see. Next, we will see at center. Four charges are placed at four corners A, B, C, D of each side small a. What is the resultant force? What is the resultant force? At center, if you place fifth charge or another 1 coulomb charge, they will take. So at center O. So from B to O, what is the distance already we give? What is the distance? If you are taking this is small r. So small r is going to be A by root 2. Already we discussed about this. R is A by root 2. Now if you place positive charge here, force due to A, repulsive or attractive? Force due to A will be repulsive, FA. Force due to B, that is also repulsive, FB. Force due to C, this Q will be repelled by the C like this, FC. Force due to D, that is also repulsive, FD. What is FA? FA means force between A and charge at center. What is the separation here? Small r. Therefore, KQQ by R square. KQ square by R square. Even you will get same FB, FC, FD. All are equal and opposite, you can see. Now, what is FC we got? FA, FB, FC, FD. So, FA, FC equal and opposite, cancel. So, FB and FD equal and opposite, cancel. Therefore, resultant force is 0 at center of the square. Already in triangle also we said same. If all charges are same at center, force is going to become 0. So, if all charges are same at center in square also, resultant force is 0. So, if any one charge is they give negative, let us assume. Just you have to practice all this. So, Q minus Q plus Q plus Q. If any one charge is negative. So, what is the resultant force at center they will ask. Another charge they place at center O. What is the resultant force? Sometimes they will ask direction also. So, how it will be coming we will see. A, B, C, D. So, force due to A. Force due to A, this is repulsive, FA. Force due to B, but this is attractive, FB. Force due to C, this is repulsive, FC. Force due to D, this is also repulsive, therefore FD. Now see which are equal here. FA and FC are equal and opposite. Therefore, FA and FC will be cancelled. Now at O, what will be remaining means two forces will be remaining, FB and FD. Therefore, at center, resultant force is nothing but FB plus FD. Here FB, FD both are same. FB and FD will be this one only. Why? Because we won't value negative sign whenever we are taking Coulomb's law. Therefore, both are going to be same, F plus F, 2F, 2 KQ square by R square. What is R here? 2 KQ square by R is nothing but A by root 2. So R is nothing but A by root 2. A by root 2 whole square. A by root 2 whole square means 4 kq square by A square. Isn't it? So this is the resultant force just if you change one charge is negative. So like this, you can take two charges negative. Like that, if you practice, you will get more problems on this. If two charges are negative, just I am doing fastly, you can try to say the answer. So minus q, plus q, plus q. So all charges, same magnitude, opposite sign. What is the resultant force at center? So A, B, C, D. So because of positive charge, repulsive, Fa. So because of negative charge, attractive, Fb. Because of negative charge, attractive, Fc. Because of positive charge, repulsive, Fd. Correct? Now see, at center, you got two forces here, A and C. I am writing FAC. At center, here you got two forces, B and D. I am writing FBD. So what is FAC now? FAC is FA plus FC. Again, both are same. A, B, C, D, all are same. Therefore, 2F. Here also you will get 2F. Now again, 2F and 2F. Now what is the angle between these two means? 90 degrees. Therefore, 2F 90 degrees means force at center will be root 2F whole square plus 2F whole square. Is it visible? Yes. 2F whole square plus 2F whole square. What you will get? 2 times of 2F whole square. So root 2, 2F. So 2 root 2 F you will get. So like this, you have to practice by changing the negative sign, positive sign like this. So if you are doing more number of problems like this, you will become perfect. How they are going to ask, in which direction resultant force is acting, like that they will ask. So for this case, resultant force is acting in which direction? Along OB. Resultant direction is along OB or DB. Correct? Like this it is acting. In this, what is the resultant force is acting? Resultant force is acting like this. I am saying about direction. Like this it is acting. If these two negative charges right side if you are taking, then resultant force will be may come like this. So how they will ask questions, we will see. First, if you know these very well, you will become perfect on upcoming questions. Let us assume if all the charges negative now. A, B, C, D. I am taking all the charges negative. Minus Q, minus Q, minus Q, minus. Separation is going to be here. Now what is the resultant force at center? If they placed Q charge. Now I told you, whenever all the charges are same magnitude, same sign, therefore here resultant force is going to become 0. If you want to prove means, Q will be attracted by minus Q. This is FA. Q will be attracted by FB. This will be attracted by FC. This will be attracted by FD. So all are equal and opposite. Therefore, all these will be cancelled. Resultant force is going to become 0. Still, how they may ask like this on the square means. So on a square, they have placed only 3 corners they will place. A, B, C. At center, what is the resultant force they will ask? Q, Q, Q. So if they placed same charge, fourth charge at center Q. Now what is the resultant force at center of the square they will ask. At the time our process will be same. Even how many questions they are asking also, our process is going to be same, like this we have to follow. So due to A, is it repulsive or attractive? A and B means A and O same are, both are same charges, therefore repulsive. O will be repelled by A, Fa. O will be repelled by B, FB. O will be repelled by C, FC. Now in this, all are same I said. All are same means FA, FC, equal and opposite. They will cancel each other. Then see resultant how it is going to be FB. What is FB? KQQ by R. What is this R we said? A by root 2 whole square. So KQ square by A square by 2. 2KQ square by 2KQ square by A square. Correct. Now 2KQ square by A square is acting along which direction? Along OD or along BD. Along BD direction they are going to ask. If this charge is negative, let us assume. If that charge is negative, then how FB will be acting? Along DB. The direction is going to be reversed. Isn't it? So like this, they may ask. We cannot expect what they are going to ask in examination, but we should be in a position to solve any question whichever they are asking like this. So this is about square. Still more will be there. You can practice by changing the numbers or changing values. Here I am giving QQ. They may give 1 coulomb, 2 coulomb, 3 coulomb, 4 coulomb like that. So here we are taking plus Q minus Q like that. So they may change the values, but process is going to be same. If you do more number of models like this, you will do fastly, that's all. Same process you have to follow. Just if you are solving, you will be getting idea how fastly you people can solve. Okay. Thank you.